I love it. Oh, I like. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Maria, and today's video is just going to be so amazing. I have these buns. You can see, I have never found use for them until today, so stay tuned as I will start with my clove oil. I love this oil, it's amazing. And I'll just I'll soak the buns in oil so that they don't hurt my hair. And yeah, as you can, I part my hair 4 sides, not all the way down. I still have my braids, but because I want to use the front part, so that's where I'm gonna start with. So I part it into 4 sections. That's the sections where the buns are gonna go. So I'll just show you my plan. So I'll just my mirror is here, so I'll tend to look here, but see you guys. And so this is how the front part looks like. I think I like it. I just add a kitambaa to just yeah, I like it. The only thing that oh yeah, it looks amazing. And so this is the final look, and thank you if you've gotten this far. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it so much. And if you try this style, just DM it to me. It is so easy to do, and since I'm not going anywhere, like I'm working from home, so I'm just hoping this will last for like 1 week, but we will see. But I like it. I've never done such bold colors and I kinda like, I like it. It looks nice now. So subscribe to my channel, and if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.